Welcome back. I know it's been a while since you've heard from me, but I swear I have a good reason. Recently, I was able to get a hold of something that lets me start a project that I've been wanting to do for a long time, but it's a big undertaking. I'm going to be starting a large 3.5 foot circular arena table that is in the theme of like old Roman gladiator, but with some fantasy elements in that. So it took me a while to get a hold of the large surface that I needed to do, and then I needed to mock up some plans that you can see somewhere near me currently. And these are what I'm going to be following to get this into production. So during this video, I will be starting putting that blueprint on the table and working on some 3D elements that I'm going to be printing to put on the table. And that's just so I don't have to make the same tiny intricate part over and over again, and it can just be placed around the table. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you look forward to seeing more about this table as it's made, and let's get into it.
The first thing I did was to find the center of the table and place a small nail in the exact center. This lets me create a impromptu compass. This helps a lot when I'm needing to get perfect circles to measure the area of the Colosseums. So once the inner and outer walls are established, I know I'm going to want to put some kind of road in here. On the blueprint, I have a road filed out, so I'm just trying to scale this up and make sure it looks good on the table itself. On top of the road is where I am going to place my gatehouse / dice rolling tray. I'm going to be making that in the next video, but I need to measure and mark out where I am actually putting it so I know the dimensions of what I'm needing to build. And so that's the basics of the blueprint put down onto the table, so I now have a better idea of where everything needs to go. With that done, I just go ahead and open up ZBrush. ZBrush is the primary 3D modeling tool I like to use, and so I open it up and get an object and begin making a pillar. During this project, I want to be able to replicate the same piece over and over again a few times. So sculpting that in ZBrush and then being able to print that piece out as much as I want at the exact same quality, it means I can place that around the entire arena and create some extra interest. With this done now, I can cut this in half and print this as many times as I need for the board, which will save a lot of work in the long run and end up making it so there is more consistency between the pieces. Next video will feature a more hands-on project as I begin one of the main features of the table, which will be the Colosseum gatehouse that features a inset dice rolling tray. So yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for sticking around and joining me while I talk about my process for beginning a new table and the steps that I take in the process of getting that started. If you want to see the continued work on my Colosseum wargaming table, hit that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!